Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to post an Instagram story from the web. First, open Instagram.com and log into your account. Now, open your browser's developer tools. You can right-click and select Inspect, or use the shortcut on your keyboard. Switch to Mobile View, and in the top bar, you'll see a drop-down to choose a device. Select a phone model, like iPhone or Pixel, and then refresh the page. If the mobile screen looks too big or cut off, adjust the zoom using your browser's zoom buttons in the top right menu until the page looks right. Once everything fits, click the story icon at the top. Choose a photo or video from your computer and upload it. You can add text, stickers, or drawings. And when you're ready, click Share to post your story. That's it! Your Instagram story is now live. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips.